press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello guys, welcome to the Bollywood talk show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Santosh Shubhajit Ghosh, and today I have two beautiful and gorgeous intellectual people with me. Somebody who's a mother.
What a reputation.
I would say that, you know, a to-be mother, and she's right now pregnant. So first of all, many congratulations for that to you.
Thank you.
And the very wonderful and intellectual looking sir.
Only
Mr.
looking, only
yeah.
looking.
No, I'm stressing on the fact looking because I was hearing some of the other answers that you were saying, and they were really, really intellectual and really smart. I was watching the other interview that we're doing over there. So the first one is that, you know, you're coming up with this original called Brahm. You know, it comes from, you know, like whenever we see something paranormal or whenever we see something scary, often people write it off as like, you know, तेरे को भ्रम हुआ है या फिर तुमको भ्रम हुआ है. तो did you ever come across anything like that? आप दोनों के साथ कभी ऐसा कुछ किस्सा हुआ है कभी जिंदगी में कि where you have had anything like, you know, supernatural या paranormal कुछ experience हुआ है आपके साथ सर?
अब कुछ हुआ? No, because I know friends who've had very strong experiences,
Yeah.
but I personally
You haven't
am
yet.
slightly disappointed that I have not had.
Exactly, but because I feel that you're kind of excited and, you know,
I
looking
feel
forward
like-
to a ghost coming up to you.
I mean, if it's a nice ghost,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you know, Casper type ghost, but I haven't had any
Yeah, yeah.
experience. No.
What about you, sir? Your smile said something else.
Yes, Sanjay
This
has.
is what you perceive as ghosts. Sometimes we ghostly people.
Yeah.
But it's as related to like Brahm, illusion, Maya. It's all
Yeah.
probably all an illusion, right? So if you're referring to a scary experience, I've heard. I grew up in the mountains. The mountains do have lots of stories.
Yeah.
Strangely, all these stories are set in the mountains.
Yeah.
Even
Why?
I grew up.
Most of them.
I grew up in Ooty, in
Yeah,
boarding school
yeah,
in Hebron, and there also we had terrible ghost stories about the highway there.
But
Highway, then
Highway
even the
today.
forests and all as well.
And
No?
the forest,
Yeah.
yeah, all of
But
that.
I feel mountains are the safest and the most peaceful.
Yeah, the people actually.
Even the ghosts are peaceful over there.
There are none, yeah. Just because you know you can't deal with the silence, you can kind of imagine and what you may have read or something, certain influences through imagery.
Your
or
own
something.
ghosts come out.
You know, but otherwise mountains are very, very. In fact, even if you're scared of wildlife, higher you go, there's less wildlife.
Yeah.
You know.
But do you think this comes from a certain sense of, like, say, maybe boredom, that, you know, people want that kind of entertainment between them? अरे यार यहाँ पे भूत हम लोग ने देखा and everything. Do you think that that might be a possibility because
I think
there's so many mountain
I
stories?
think parents have to be blamed.
Yeah?
You're gonna
You
be
already
parent.
know the reasons. Sir.
I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
सो जाओ वरना बुढ़ा बाबा आ जाएगा.
Yeah. Threaten your children.
We all have received it, sir.
ठक बाहर वॉचमैन बेचारा हमारा बहादुर ठक ठक वो तो अपनी ड्यूटी कर रहा है
Yeah.
बट देखा आवाज सो दैट फियर जस्ट टू मेक योर किड्स स्लीप दैट्स बट नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इज गोना हैव डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स.
What's that?
Social media. Social media will be the new paranormal
Yeah.
because
वो
oh my
तो
God.
उसका भ्रम है ना.
Exactly.
Social media, we don't know what's real, what's not.
And you were talking about your friends having had some really, you know, like ghostly experiences. So
Yeah.
were they actually for real or were they Brahm, as we are talking about?
I mean, this one experience of my friend is
Yeah.
like really scary, where she, when someone in her family passed away,
Yeah.
all the clocks in her house at the same time stopped at the exact same place.
What are you saying?
She couldn't believe. She took all the clocks
Yeah,
in different
yeah,
rooms,
yeah,
put
yeah,
them out in
yeah,
the kitchen,
yeah.
and she called her mama, and she said, "Mama, look at this." And they were both looking at this. And when her father walked into the room
Yeah.
to announce
Yeah,
that
yeah. This thing has
the
happened.
uncle had passed away,
Yeah.
all the clocks started again. At the same, they were all three of them witnessed it.
And like you were
Just
trying
look
to
at
say
your
that.
watch. Just look at your watch.
Imagine that.
It's working as well.
Goosebumps, just like the thought
Yeah,
of
but
it.
imagining so many clocks, you know, stopping together and then starting off all over again.
I totally believe that this
Yeah.
kind of stuff, I don't know if it's paranormal or it's just something that's unexplained.
Yeah,
Like there's
yeah.
some, you know, alternate reality, some other dimension that scientifically we haven't been able to capture or understand. So it's not necessarily that it's God or a spiritual thing, but I definitely think there's stuff that we don't know about at all in this universe.
We're talking about the content that you used to watch earlier, and you know, now that you're into this beautiful stage of motherhood, you have changed that.
Yeah.
So how are you coping up with that?
Yeah, I mean, Netflix used to recommend
Yeah.
me serial killer movies.
yeah.
And now I've stopped watching those. I don't think they're
Yeah.
too healthy for my baby right
Yeah,
now.
absolutely.
So I'm watching, like, I watched Crashing
Yeah.
and Working Moms.
Yeah.
I'm watching these kind of shows.
And what is that one series that you watched last, sir? I mean, is that something? Are you into ghost series too much?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
What is that genre that appeals to you the
I'm too
most?
scared to
I
watch.
like psychological thrillers.
Yeah, yeah.
I like psychological thrillers. So I think Brahm, that's what attracted me to it. It's psychological thriller meeting a paranormal, supernatural, right? So they're both things happening, and then narrated in a way of a murder mystery or like a mystery. It unfolds like a thriller. It does promise to close your sort of or give a closure, but I like thrillers that don't completely close because you interpret it your way. And one of my favorite psychological thrillers is Mulholland Drive, still being discussed. So I love those kind of films and that kind of content that you walk away with your perception.
So right now we are gonna have a quick rapid fire, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna get your thinking shoes on. So the first one is for you, and that's a rumor that you would like to start about yourself. Is there any?
Rumor that I
Yeah,
would
or there
like
are too many already.
that I'm going to
You want to start about yourself.
that I'm going to have a career in criminal psychology.
Okay, that's interesting. The most ridiculous fact that you know, and you're like, why do I know this?
Not really, yeah.
Ridiculous
fact.
Yeah.
Is this for both of us?
Yeah. No. I have separate questions for him. And those are primarily more intellectual ones.
Oh, come on,
Yes,
she's
sir,
the
yes.
brainy one. She's so well read, everything.
Ridiculous
I just-
fact
Yeah.
that I know.
Yeah.
I really can't think of anything right now. Can you think?
That you know one yourself.
I read somewhere about sharks.
Yeah.
That when they're in the womb of their mother,
Yeah.
there's like 9 or 10 baby sharks in there, and there's one particular type of shark where the baby sharks start eating each other,
Okay.
their brothers and sisters,
Okay.
and only one survives. So that's like one jaded mofo coming out, man. He's like really, like like he's eaten all his brothers and sisters, and then he comes out.
It comes out all proud about it.
It's crazy, crazy.
The funniest joke that you know by heart. Is there any?
My jokes are rather politically incorrect. I don't think any of them would be correct here. Jokes.
Funniest joke.
Yeah, that you remember by heart, like
Well, clearly you have to remember it by heart to say it, no?
Diamonds are forever. It's a joke. Whoever sold that joke,
is
They're dead.
Actually, living the riches.
they're already dead.
Politically incorrect.
Okay, I'll let that go then. If your pet animal could ever speak to you, what would you like it to say to you for the first time?
Oh yeah, if she was able to speak to
Yeah,
me, what
yeah.
would?
What would be the first thing that you would like it to speak to you? Wait.
I would like her to thank me for all the amount of times I've cleaned up her piss when she's done susu in the house because of thunderstorms
Yeah.
or whatever.
Yeah. And lastly, the worst pregnancy advice that you got.
So far, the worst pregnancy advice has been there's this advice I've been getting of just like don't work, don't go out, don't wear tight clothes. Like you basically should stay in a hole in a dark room and
all
not,
isolated.
Yeah, and not speak to anyone, which I don't think is very good advice. I think you should
Absolutely.
stay active and be interactive and stay alive.
Absolutely. So the next question is for you. We begin with you.
Why did you already give a disclaimer? These questions are going to come to you.
Yeah, because sir, the questions that these are specially made for you, sir.
You should be working with Siddharth Basu. Okay.
If life were a video game, what would some of the cheat codes be?
I never played video games, dude.
Really?
Give me another one.
Okay, sure. What can possibly be the creepiest thing that you can ever tell to a stranger passing by?
Creepiest thing.
Yeah.
Okay. creepy as it's real, but people don't like to hear it.
Yeah.
You're gonna die.
If you were arrested for a reason without having no idea about it, what would your friends and family assume that you have done?
Okay, I have to think for them.
Yeah.
Got a joke after my
Yeah.
What do you think I would have done?
Yeah. What would they think you have done? You're actually innocent, but then somehow you have landed up with the cops. So what would your friends and family think that you have done?
I'm researching on a film.
And that's why you got arrested?
No, that's what they would think.
Okay. Interesting. If you were a scientist, what experiment would you like to conduct?
How does telepathy work?
Interesting. Okay. The last question. That one thing, according to you, sir, which you feel is really popular today, but people will be really embarrassed in the next 5 years.
I think the most photographed generation.
Yeah.
I'm using this. Someone said it. I
Yeah.
forget their name.
Yeah.
Not Peter Lindbergh,
Yeah.
but the most photographed generation 10 years from now will not have a photograph with them.
And we'll end the show with your joke that you just came up with.
Yes. So it's a pretty long joke.
Yeah, please.
So I need Sanjay's help here. I need you to. You'll have to do the
Write
acting.
a synopsis of the joke.
No, you have to do the acting because I'm
Okay,
pregnant.
this is
and I can't do
interesting.
so much action. Okay, so basically, whatever I narrate, you can be that character.
Damshuraz, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so there's this guy, and he's a like struggling actor in
Okay.
Bombay.
Okay.
And he's come from like Bihar and you like small town somewhere, and he's like really waiting for this moment. Okay, and his roommate is working in some like English theater in Prithvi and all that, and so he's like, listen, एक भी chance, एक भी मौका मिला तो मुझे बता दो. You know, I want to be part of
Yeah.
this. I just want to learn and all that. So one day his roommate calls him and says, you know what? I have something. One of the actors in my Shakespeare play that I'm doing is sick, and they don't have anyone to replace him. You come and do it.
Yeah.
So he goes. He runs to the theater. And
Sanjay sir is running.
he's running to the theater.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for it. He's running. Then he gets to the theater and he's so excited and he starts like, just breathing, and he goes to meet the director, and the director says, "Acha, aap replace kar rahe ho, theek hai?" Then he asks one assistant to give him the line, and he has one line, and the line is, "Hark, is that a cannon I hear?"
Okay.
Hark, is that a cannon I hear? So he learns it and learns it. So he keeps practicing. Hark, is that a cannon I hear? Hark, is that a cannon I? Hark, is that a cannon? Hark. And he's doing push-ups and sit-ups, and he's warming up his body and really getting into it. And then they're like, okay, third bell has gone, the play has started, be quiet. So then he's like, hark, is that a cannon I hear? Hark, is that a cannon I hear? Sitting backstage, and he's putting on his makeup and he's putting on his costume and everything, and he's like, hark, is that a cannon I hear? And they're like, you're about to go on stage. He's like, मैं ready हूँ. Hark, is that a cannon I hear? Hark, is that a cannon I hear? And he goes on stage, and he suddenly hears a big boom, and he says, what the hell was that?
That's possibly
हम काहे करेंगे ऐसे?
that's
हमारा
possibly
हाक आपने छीन लिया.
that's possibly the best way with which we could have ended this show. I thank you both so much for being with us over here, and I wish you both all the best for Brahm. I hope that this excels in every way possible, and I wish you both all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure having you, sir.
Thank you.